Why did you do it? Why did you kill Caesar?
I did it for Rome.
Last night, Julius Caesar was found dead, and suspects are currently unknown.
I would never do that to Caesar. He was like a father to me. And it just doesn't make sense that I would kill him.
Brutus always seemed sort of jealous towards Caesar.
There were no signs of forced entry. The suspect must have known Caesar personally.
I never trusted Brutus.